Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni paidbah subscribe ya u an kublai phi baru kini kilongi khubor bamta kasni ka cabinet jungka sorkar Meghalaya kabla khli do mentri rangba convert ke sangma kala shim yishibun ki rai ki bakraw ha ka jingelang kabalong menta kasni kabakmi halor ka puli puthi katnat sorkar ki an kimtre ka menta ba ka jingpen kre ek election GHADC ya kini la pentip do menteri sorkar but spokesperson ke MDA wailat miki shila hawa kran shakilat pathai kubor hadin ke jingelang u shila ula ong bakarukam pendan kampi sath mai deka outcome based budgeting kala sya pediang ha ke cabinet ban pendan kampura ya kisong pisa ke jela deka rukam ke bayahap bat ki jingmi result lane outcomes karukam pentrai kam ban pentibit no ik special educators bat ki wegi professional batrai hapo katnat puli puthi Karkum ke jingbatha jingka Supreme Court file number EDN 1702023 kala menjur haduk menta ka jela kadon arspa prapulai teli hipus. Ka cabinet kala menjeru ya ke jinglong renti rationalization jingka school sorkar bat SSA ban pinbha shu ya karukam trekam hagathai puli puthi. Hagawi pat kabenta ka sorkar kala pinmenjur ya ka Meghalaya Village Defence Organisation Rules 2025 kaba penshai bha ya ka Kamram jangki Village Defence Party VDP la penkiu ya ki out of pocket allowance na ka lai spa tingka sya ka lai hajar tingka ban kershan ya ki paidbah nong ha ka jingele persha ya ki jinge kum ka jingnang kiu kapom drug bat ki jinge ha ki khapun sorkar kan airu yaki uniform, walkie-talkie, ID card, Henry nam ai yaka suloi lani weapon lakran shai ushila. Ka sorkar kalapan kelaru yaka Schedule 11 jangka Meghalaya Legal Metrology Enforcement Rules 2011 nalor kanila priang ru yaka draft rule basyong halor ki labor codes temai. Kentum yaka draft Meghalaya Code on Wages Rules Arhajar Arpsau Draft Meghalaya Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Rule Arhajar Arpsau, Draft Meghalaya Code on Industrial Relations Rule Arhajar Arpsau, Draft Meghalaya Code on Social Security Rules Arhajar Arpsau. Hagabenta ke election GHADC, kabala abanong haus nem banwan, ka cabinet kala menjurno ya ke schedule, na kabenta ke jingpen kre yak electoral roll, ushila upen syai ba ompat bu sngi election, Henrelas dang no da kabapen kre ek role kat kum ka AD rules shihajar kndai spa san phuwe. Kabalong ka an bakentup yaki kendon hok vote. Habagdaw halor ka dawa ki nonghikai SSA usilaw ang bakasorkar kalamentoy lupaban pediang ya ka pay structure temai but ka jingpen bed rationalization Henry ka finance department kadang tho telum ya ka bahilun.
In the cabinet meeting held today. So the first agenda is the introduction and implementation of outcome-based budgeting method for utilizing state fund from the health budget. The second agenda we took today is regularization of special educator and similar professional as mandated in the Honorable Supreme Court of India order file number EDN.170/2023. The next agenda is rationalization of government or SSA school. The next agenda is Meghalaya Village Defence Organisation Rule 2025 and to revise the out-of-pocket money of VDPs as per file number HPL.238/2025. The next agenda is the amendment to Schedule 11 to the Meghalaya Legal Metrology Enforcement Rule 2011. Next is publication of the draft code on wages Meghalaya Rule 2024. Second, the draft Meghalaya Occupation Safety, Health and Working Condition Rule 2024. Third is the draft code on Industrial Relation Meghalaya Rule 2024 and the draft code on Social Security Meghalaya Rule 2024. Next is the schedule for the preparation of roll for the conduct of the election for the Garo Hills Autonomous District Councils. So these are the agenda taken in today's cabinet meeting.
Regarding this
Village Defense Organization Rule 2025, where we already specify the role of the chief since from the state, district up to different levels. So definitely we'll be sharing with you the whole details of the rule. So but definitely there are we have increased the out of pocket from we usually 300, now is going to be 3,000, which we really hope that it will really encourage the people with our VDPs. So definitely we want to see that our VDP active, especially and in today's time, as you know that we are facing the challenges of crime and drugs and even in border areas. So that's why we hope that with these new rules, then I think we will really be able to encourage our villages to form the village defense party.
Is there
also itself, it has mentioned that we will try to modernize thing. We will try to help them with some kind of uniform, some kind of walkie-talkie, and some with proper with this IDs and all. So definitely that is on mind, but we cannot say weapon, but definitely we are on that line.
but
Approved by the cabinet today, so I think very soon it will be implemented. So today the cabinet, because as you know, no doubt we have not decided the date yet, but the government has to start the preparatory step. So that's why today we in the cabinet we passed the schedule for the preparation of role for the conduct of the election in Garo Hills. So like I already said, that the government has to start the preparatory step, because we need to have the role ready before the date of the election comes. Is yet to take any decision. The teachers have met our Honorable Chief Minister and the Education Minister. They have agreed to have a new pay structure. So they have already agreed on that, and also at the same time they have agreed for the rationalization. So today we from the government, so we have principally have approved that to start the rationalization process.
So what would be the financial?
The department is still working on that. I cannot give you the exact figure right now. The order from the Honorable Supreme Court, because there was a case, it seems that because we need to have a special educator. So for that we are just because right now we have 283 numbers of posts. So in this post they are working as at least contractual, and there are also to be recruited. So we are just regularizing to we approved from the cabinet for regularization of these posts.